Hey guys, my name is Jawad and I am the TA for this course. First of all, I want to thank Bo for uh, the course instructor for guiding the course and giving us the opportunity to work on these projects, and also thank Rohit for preparing the BoVerse website and for his suggestions and for helping shape the direction of these tutorials. Okay, so in this short video, I want to quickly introduce BoVerse and explain why we are using it basically. And I know many of you already understand AI prompting and custom GPT very well, so the goal of these tutorials is not to teach you basic AI. The goal is to help you migrate your existing custom GPT prototype into BoVerse. Most of your custom GPTs are already working as prototypes. I saw a couple of them, uh, but a prototype, inside custom GPT often has everything mixed together. For example, the instructions, files, reasoning, actions, and outputs. BoVerse gives us a more structured way to turn that prototype into a real workflow. In BoVerse, we can break one big AI assistant into smaller atomic steps, and yeah, and so BoVerse gives us a more structured way to turn your already available prototype into a real workflow, and we can break a big thing into smaller atomic things, atomic steps, and each step has one clear responsibility. For example, one step may extract information, another step may normalize it, another step may validate it, and another step may generate the final output. And this makes the system easier to debug, easier to improve, and easier to deploy. On the BoVerse website, you will see the main sections. Basically, you can see run here, build, it has a couple of parts, deploy, and learn. You can get more information on the learn tutorials and library. Uh, run basically is where we create and edit workflows. The build is where we create and edit workflows. For example, we can go to the workflow steps, and it is basically the main building part. Deploy is where we publish and basically share, embed, or manage access to workflows. And as I said, learn contains basically tutorials and documentations. For example, you can see a couple of tutorials and videos on other stuff. And library also contains some information you can check later. So for this course, we will mostly focus on build and deploy. And inside build, we will work with workflow steps, model libraries, tools, MCPs, code execution, and structured outputs. The important idea is that BoVerse is not replacing your product idea. BoVerse is giving you a better structure to implement your product idea, basically. And when you look at your custom GPT, do not think I need to start from zero. Instead, think that I need to map each part of my custom GPT into the right BoVerse component, and your instructions become step instructions, and your uploaded file becomes knowledge library. Your actions become tools, basically. Let me show you here. Yeah, basically you can manage your knowledge library here and attach some files to it here, and your instruction that you have already in your custom GPT becomes each of these steps here, and your actions become tools. For example, if I click on one tool, you can see that here we can go to additional settings and we have MCP tools. So your line reasoning processes becomes a sequence of atomic workflow steps, and it would be much easier to debug and know what's the reason of the problem. And your final custom GPT, basically that becomes uh, basically the final custom GPT that you already have becomes the deployed BoVerse workflow, and this is the mindset we will use throughout the next few weeks. And in the next video, I will basically explain the exact difference between custom GPT and BoVerse and how to think about the migration process. If there is any feedback, please let me know, and I will be happy to uh, make the learning process better for you and make good videos for you. Thank you very much, and see you later.